What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got a nice watch face to check out. Trying to get you ready for the weekend just a little bit early. I don't know what you got planned, but I'm thinking this watch face just might tie into whatever it is that you have going on for the weekend. Now, the developer that created this one goes by the name of Sergey. This guy really got down on this watch face, and you got to check out his lineup. He has a lot of watch faces to offer, and he makes them affordable in the Gear Manager store. Now, we're also going to have a giveaway for this watch face as well, so you got to comment in the comment section down below for an opportunity to win. Now, we got watch faces for Denmark, India, Canada, the UK, the US. We could have more, but we need more people from more countries to comment in the comment section down below. Cool? All right, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's kick off this review. The name of the watch face is called Steel Sport Multi-Lane. The developer really got down on this watch face, people. So I got to give him 4 thumbs up in the door for creativity and design of this watch face. Now, in AOD mode, you're going to get a nice look for the Gear S3. It's pretty much going to look like the watch face as if it was on. It's just going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode, but I'm liking the black theme of the Gear S2 a little bit better. But listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know which AOD theme you like the best. Now, looking at the watch face when it's on, I'm telling you, the developer really outdid himself. I like the design. I like the layout of everything. The developer went all in on this watch face. The theme looks nice in the background. The layout of the battery meter and your step status info. Get your step status here as well. Also, your battery icon and the percentage there. Heart rate information dead center gives this watch face a nice look. And you will get your step status info at the top and at the bottom. So you'll get info on like your steps, miles walked or ran, calories burned, floors climbed. Also, you get your date, nice digital time. I'm loving the font. This is a 24-hour watch face. And Wednesday is spelled out. This is definitely a great look. And the watch face is interactive. If I double tap on the 6, I can set an alarm. If I double tap right here on the 54, I can get my recents. I can go into the application or I can get rid of it. And I can double tap on the battery. Just gives you the same thing, your battery percentage. You could do the same thing for your steps, calories burned. I mean, the developer really did an awesome job on this watch face. But again, at the end of the day, people, it is all about you. What do you think? Hit me in the comment section down below and let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Don't forget, you got to comment in order to have an opportunity to win as well. And with that, people, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.